This is one of the simplest methods to make money online because it requires no selling, affiliate marketing, or social media followers, as well as no prior expertise. All you have to do is copy and paste some text. And if you stick with me until the conclusion of this video, you'll be able to make a lot more money because I'll show you 3 more websites where you can earn money. We show you how to earn money online in the easiest method possible, so subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we release a new video on how to make money online and you can get started right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be hesitant to leave a comment down below if you have any issues, questions, or comments about it. Now, let's get back to the video. Let's start right here so I can teach you how to use Google News to be paid repeatedly. All of this will take less than 20 minutes and, if PayPal isn't accessible in your country or you don't want to use it, I'll show you how to choose from alternative payment choices. So, if you don't want to receive the money through PayPal, you may choose from a variety of other payment methods, such as bank transfer and more. Anyway, let's get started with step 1. Go to www.google.com. Step 2 is to search for Google News. After you've found it, go to the first official website, news.google.com. This is a location where you can discover the most up-to-date news and articles on a variety of topics from across the world. It's similar to a newspaper in that you can find anything on here. This website has news on politics, business, technology, sports, science, health, entertainment, history, and everything else you can think of. Now, how are you going to make money with this, and how are you going to collect your free PayPal money? Continue watching this video, and you'll see how it is all done. So, on the left-hand side, you have all of the categories, as well as global news. This is about what is going on around the globe at the moment. You have your own area news, which we will ignore, since we only want to cover health, technology, science, sports, entertainment, and business. Now for example, if I pick the health category, I will be presented with all of the most recent news and articles relating to health. So let's go over this page and see what we can find. So this article, that was just recently published, seems appealing to me, and it's a pretty nice piece that a lot of people would like to read. So all we have to do now is open up this article. Don't worry, you won't have to write any articles, and you won't have to sell anything. And this has absolutely nothing to do with affiliate marketing, media marketing, or any other type of marketing. Simply open that article and begin copying content from it. For example, I'll copy this and go on to step 3, where we'll go to spinbot.com, which is the website we'll be using to help us rewrite. You'll need to paste the writing you discovered on Google News into this box. Spinbot will rewrite the article for you, allowing you to have the entire article written in your own words, making it truly unique. You will then use these articles on 3 different websites to make money, which I will provide to you. Those websites will compensate you for your contributions. Some of them will pay you $1 for each word you write. As you can see, such articles can have thousands of words, which can make you a lot of money. Anyway, after you've discovered the article, simply copy and paste the content into this box. Then click the Spin It button to rewrite the text. And now do this human puzzle verification by sliding the piece to align it with the puzzle. Now that will rewrite the entire article for you. As you can see, the context is nearly identical, but different words are used. It's rewriting it in your own terms and utilizing synonyms. So you can take that unique and rewritten content and sell it on the following 3 websites to get money. Anyways, go to eatingwell.com, which will be the first website we will use. This website will pay you for the articles you create. So instead of you performing all the hard work of creating those articles for days, the rewriting tool I provided you will do the hard work for you. You can easily write original and high-quality articles using Google News and Spinbot, and they will pay you up to $1 per word. So that is the first website, and there are 2 more websites I still have for you. Anyways, on this website, you can get paid up to $1 per word, which means that if you get an article with 500 words, you can get paid $500 for that piece, and it took you less than 20 minutes to copy and paste. Now, how do you really submit your papers for payment? You'll need to go down a little bit on this website until you reach this area, where you may get their contact details. So just copy their email address. Go to your email and send them an email with the subject line submission or content submission or anything similar, and attach the file with your own article that you wrote. They will check your email after you submit it, and if they like it, they will ask for your payment information. Or you can fill out this form by clicking this link text, which is highly recommended. If you wish to be paid using PayPal, you let them know. Then provide them with your PayPal and email addresses. On the other hand, you will simply add your bank details if you wish to be paid by bank transfer. The same may be said for other payment options. Because news stories in Google News arrive every couple of hours, your selections are virtually limitless. So you can take those articles, rewrite them with Spinbot, copy and paste them into a Word document, or save them to your computer and submit them to these websites. So, eatingwell.com is the first place where you may post your content. The second website is sierraclub.org, where you may also contribute articles. This may be seen on their website. You may submit your articles to this website by simply following the steps provided. To contact them, simply send an email to this address. So you may copy this and paste it into your email, along with the contact information, and in the subject line simply write in submission or content submission. Or you can fill out this form by clicking this link text, which is highly recommended. You may submit more than just health articles to sierraclub.org, as you did with eatingwell.com, but you will be demanded to discover anything linked to science or tech. So go ahead and open a tech-related article. Then copy and paste the text into Spinbot. Allow them to rewrite it and send it to sierraclub.org's email address. Finally, daily.store.org is the third and last webpage where you may submit your articles. You may read more about how it works by visiting their submission criteria. This website will pay you a little less money, but it's still a fantastic one to utilize because it allows you to earn some extra money while also maximizing your results. The best part about this website is that they just want up to 2,000 words from you and will pay you roughly 31 cents per word. So, while it's not as high as the other two websites, it's still a good deal at 31 cents. On average, 31 cents per word isn't awful because it adds up rapidly. Overall, you will be able to earn more money if you submit more articles to these websites. Of course, not every article will be approved, but even if you only receive one a day, that's still hundreds of bucks every day simply by copying and pasting. It was all completely free, and you don't have to wait, you can start using this method right away. To summarize, go to Google News, choose a category from the left-hand side, find an item you like, open it, copy the content, use Spinbot to make it unique, and submit it. You may repeat this process indefinitely and earn a substantial sum of money. I hope you found some helpful tips in this video, and that's all there is to it. Overall, you can utilize the process we provided you in this video to figure out new ways to earn money or even your own unique ways to better the process. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any issues, questions, or comments about it, or even an idea that you would like us to do a video on. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below as we do value our audience's input. Before we leave, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.